Thank you, Sebastian. It is so good to be here, and I'm so happy to be talking about our digital and AI journey, because we are on a journey to strengthen our position as a fashion brand, and our customers are at the heart of every decision that we make. To succeed, we've been focusing on building a strong digital foundation so that tech at H&M becomes a true growth enabler.
Well, Ellen, before we go deeper into that, can you tell us a bit more how your journey looks like so far, what your transformation journey is at H&M?
Yes, love to. We're focused on leveraging the latest technologies to enhance both precision in demand and supply, gaining real-time access to data across our entire supply chain and financial processes. To unlock the full potential of new technologies like AI, the right digital foundation is needed to ensure that we can standardize and harmonize key business processes. And SAP sits at the core of our processes enabled by RISE, Business Data Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and SuccessFactors.
Awesome. So with such a robust foundation in place, now what's next? What changes for H&M, and where are you today on your journey?
Well, on top of this foundation, we are layering in AI, using it to improve our operations, reimagine our stores and supply chain, and empower our store colleagues with more precise decision-making. To make this real, we introduced a new innovation framework designed to help us test, explore, and scale new ideas faster. Through this way of working, we shaped a clear vision for a more data-driven supply chain that gives us real-time insights into our store operation, which is actually what you're seeing here on the screen. And we brought SAP with us on that journey. We feel the collaboration with between H&M and SAP is truly unique, and it lets us test, explore, and scale digital and AI capabilities.
Of course, I'm glad to hear that. So can you give maybe one specific example of what we are doing together?
Yes, love to. One example is our Store Intelligence app. It is a comprehensive solution for tracking store performance in real time. And all the way from the sales floor to the market level. It allows us to understand and steer our business based on live feedback. And together with SAP, we developed the Store Intelligence Agent that prepares store readiness and suggests next best action for our store managers. This is what you're seeing again on the screen. And this isn't just a single agent. This is a system of agents working end-to-end across our value chain. So when the store receives a recommendation, it is based on what's happening real-time across different business processes. For example, a week before a major stadium show here in Florida, a new trend starts to gain momentum. The Store Intelligence app scans market signals, local demand, and based on this, it recommends which key item to feature, in what quantities, and where to place them for maximal impact. The result will be a store that feels fresh, intentional, and perfectly aligned to what the customers want.
So this is really an awesome example of business AI in action at scale. What else are you looking at right now?
Well, another example is a customer-facing solution that we're exploring. This is featured in the in-store mode in the H&M app, where customer gets a personalized and locally relevant store experience. Together with SAP, we are developing an AI-powered store concierge agent. This goes beyond optimizing the store, and it connects the entire customer journey across digital and physical channels. The store concierge brings the online and in-store experience together in one continuous personalized experience with outfit recommendations, real-time availability, and contextual advice. It's about making every interaction relevant, helpful, human, powered by AI in the background. Well, in fact, Sebastian, if you were this morning asked the agent what to wear for Sapphire, it would actually have had an answer for you.
Well, take a wild guess. I might have had that problem just this morning. Big keynote, big stage, and I wasn't really sure what to wear.
Well, then let's see what the store concierge would have suggested for you. So here, if I wrote, Sebastian is giving the Sapphire keynote in Orlando together with H&M, what should he wear? Then, see, now the agent will have an answer for you. See, they know Sebastian very well. So, and the good thing is that there's also a shop the look option.
No? So Ellen, look at my outfit. The store concierge, I think, did an awesome job, right? Advising me what to wear. Actually, my daughter said, Dad, it was perfect. You look like you always look.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with what we put here together, and I'm overall super excited about the journey we are on together.
Me too. I think we're off to a really good start.
Thank you, Ellen.
Thank you, Sebastian.